Hi, today we have a review about the Greenworks Pro 8-volt lithium, and it's 3-in-1 lawn mower right here. It's 80-volt battery, and this is the picture how it looks like. So this one, it's not self-propelled, but it's pretty light. It's really easy to follow it. Okay, so and it's unpacked, it's right here. We're gonna demonstrate how it works.
Do you see the height of the grass? How big?
And here's the cut. It's pretty neat. As you can see, this grass it's quite long, so I'm very happy with this, that it actually does good job on taking care of the longer, taller grass. Also, it kind of like it slows down in this longer grass, but if you have like just shorter grass, then it would just like go easier. So this battery easily lasts for us to mow the whole backyard.
Check.
Also, what we think a cool feature is it charges in 60 minutes, so rapid charge, and it lasts for 90 minutes. So it's pretty much all we need for the whole backyard. And we also really like that it doesn't have that huge crazy sound. It's not loud, so it's very quiet. We don't even hear it like in the house. If I go in the house and close the windows, and we don't even hear it, so that's a good feature. And also it has a 21-inch deck. It collects the grass right here. Also, if you don't want to collect the grass, you can just close this one up, and you can throw the grass through here if you don't want to collect it in the bag provided. And that's the result. It does a pretty good job. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!